Hey, welcome back to TIG Time. I'm Mr. TIG. Today we're still at the FabTech show 2012, where we're in a booth here called ProFusion. And I happen to notice a little activity of welding going on here. It looks like some very fine welding. I'm not sure, but I think it might be microplasma welding. I've got Rudy Chuni here, and he's going to describe this to me. Rudy, is this micro?
Yes, this machine can do both micro TIG and microplasma from 0.1 to 80 amps. At the moment it's doing 0.1 arc transfer in a plasma mode. The machine is unique in its capabilities of doing both. There is only the change of the torch that would transfer this to a plasma mode and the TIG torch to make it a TIG machine, basically. So.
Okay, now I notice up here you've got an arc voltage control, wire feed.
That's a new product from us. It's coming in 2013, and it's an arc voltage controller which will maintain a standard voltage that you specified during the full weld, even if the part is not fully centric or fully concentric, I would say.
Okay, now what market are you trying to attract right here?
This is a very specialized, a niche market. Our customers are usually in the aerospace, medical device component, and everything exotic, we usually do it. So it's a very demanding market because at 0.1 amp there is no other probably power supply in the market that can reach that low amperage and have a stable arc that you can probably see in the video right now.
Okay, now as far as the materials that you can weld with this, you've got TIG welding. It can virtually weld just about every material. What about this plasma welding? What can it weld?
It can weld virtually everything except aluminum because this is a DC power supply, so except aluminum, every exotic material, titanium, stainless steel, Inconel, you think that's probably we can weld it. So it just needs to be small. That's what I wanted to say because 80 amps restricts us from welding bigger parts.
Okay, well it looks very sophisticated, very precision. Definitely looks aerospace.
Thank you.
So no, it just caught our attention. So we want to come in here because we see a couple of different machines here, and I'm gonna move over to this machine. And so I see a machine here that has some kind of a controller, and I'm going to go up and ask this gentleman exactly what the machine does. Stefan Kasilica, is that correct?
Absolutely right. We are very happy to introduce new product. It's 4-axis CNC plasma arc welding machine. Well, we have 4 axes integrated with arc voltage control, wire feed, current source. This unique machine is coming with many different features, what you find only on very expensive machine, like for example, arc voltage control, pulsation, oscillation. Program is extremely flexible and simple. Machine has several modes. Basic modes are manual mode and automatic mode. In manual mode, you could jog all axes, pre-program position, where in teach mode, you collect position and integrate that in part program. Then integrate arc voltage, current source high, current source low, wire feed low, pulsation frequency, and duty cycle. In automatic mode, all these axes are coordinated with precisely. Position is plus minus 2000, arc voltage current are plus minus 1%. In automatic mode, welding executed line by line and precisely based on instruction in a part program. Over arc execution is unique feature that is possible to override each program value. Like for example, if you are passing current and the current is let's say 100 amps and we need to increase a little bit current, we will see this encoder wheel where we slightly in percentage increase the current from pre-program value. The same flexibility, operators have easy access to part to adjust wire feed, the guide, or align that precisely with the weld. Wire feed is coming with several versions. It could be from 0.02, 0.35, 0.45. Welding package also is custom made per requirements. Like for example, if somebody is doing a heavy overlay for stellite, is using heavy-duty 350 amp power supply. Welding is robots, could be performed oscillation. If somebody is working some fine aircraft parts, we incorporate precision pulsation, precision arc voltage control, also the current source, where we could pulse the current with wire feed in so-called Deber mode, where wire is pushed forward, high current retracted. Other unique feature is arc voltage control, where arc voltage is lagged during pulse high, pulse low, and maintained during the current high. Everything is made in the United States. We are sticking with our engineering production. We are proud to introduce this product, and this is a great opportunity. And why thank you very much to you are my dear friend. That you are one of those guys to see the product.
Well, Stefan, I've got to put a plug in for you here because I know I talked to you earlier, and this controller right here is also available for electron beam. Is that correct?
Well, we have great experience to different application. This similar product or the same product could be applicable to different processes. We incorporate laser welding, electron beam welding, and of course arc welding. In electron beam welding, of course, this front part is redesigned. We are not work with arc voltage. We are working with beam current, high voltage, and so on. But the idea is similar. Give the capability for the welder to design his part program, execute that. It's very critical, mainly in electron beam welding, when you don't see inside. You have to really rely on closed loop control, all those axes, like we have brushless AC motor, equipped and chorus. Everything has to precise, and in electron beam welding, accuracy is important. If you imagine that beam size is fraction of millimeter, we have to hit that beam exactly on spot. Wyatt is expert on welding. He knows even better than I know about the accuracy. That's true or not?
I work at it. Well, thanks for watching TIG Time. I'm Mr. TIG.